Hey guys, welcome to Comfy Cozy Up. As you can see, got 3 journals in my hand, and these are the 3 journals that has every entry I've made every day since October 1st, 2019. So it's a leap year, so 366 days that I have been writing in my journal, and I have been documenting, not just in my journal, but I actually video a clip of me writing in my journal every day for 360 days on my Instagram story. So if you guys been following me on Instagram, you know it's been there. And the funny thing is, someone mentioned that they know I'm okay when they see that I've posted for the day. And I laughed about it, but I'm like, wow, that is interesting, that I never even think about it like that. But yes, it is a collection of my innermost feelings, my innermost happy, sad, dreadful moments that's happened in the last year. And it became such a great outlet that I wanted to share it with other people. And I was encouraged by Dee from Brown Girl Reading that I should do a challenge, which I did create a month after I started, which was in November. So it's coming up to a year for that anniversary. But before I talk more about what journaling means to me, let me read something that I wrote back in January. It was January 8th. And when I think of it now, it really sums up how I feel about journaling. And I called it routine. And a lifestyle to journal came when I needed to breathe, to know me, and to take care of me, the person who I am today. I was completely stressed, emotionally unwell, and didn't know how to cope. So I started writing it down. I wrote words that expressed my true feelings. I wasn't afraid to say what I wanted to say. It was my private space to say F you or bitch as I please when my silence was slowly killing me. It became my voice when I couldn't speak, my true identity when I wore my mask, and the reasoning when I was low and couldn't dig myself out of the negative space I was in. It was a new routine one day, and I wasn't afraid. It was a new routine one day, and I haven't felt like stopping. What did I learn? It was my escape. I looked between the line and built a new space that kept me balanced and relaxed. I have a little more control, and I'm calm. It isn't the only thing, but it's one that works for me. I am okay after all. Thank you, my journal haven. And I listed a lot of words on here, so I'm going to read some of it that I've used as daily prompts. Love, life, respect, movement, romance, single, balance, rest, comfort, forgiveness, remember, lesson, happiness, give, misunderstood, loss, ultimate, smile, anger, stress, stability, honesty, family, passion, determined, self-reliance, accountability, regret, vulnerable, dream, support, hustle, comfort. There's so many words in here that I look back and I'm thinking of moments when they were so relevant and moments when where my mind was at the time of writing these. And I am a really big fan of using word prompts because sometimes you want to write and you want to focus on things that may not be the right word for how you really feel in that moment, or may not dig in deep in what you really should focus on to deal with whatever stressful moment you're having, or any kind of complication in your life. It also could be a word that make you think of a positive moment then. Sometimes you get stuck in the negative, and a word of the day might be love or passion, that you would drive yourself to focus on good things in that moment, good things that you need to get your spirit up, to think good about yourself, and to kind of get you out of that downward spiral that you might be in that moment. There's so many ways that you can use word prompts and how beneficial they can be and how mentally healthy they can be, because we've all been struggling this year. We've had a dreadful year that we're still in, that we're still learning how to deal with a new norm. And it's not something we like to say, because I hate the word the new norm, because I'm craving my normalcy. I'm craving things that I've enjoyed. So I've also loved the word appreciate. And that is something that I'm learning to embrace, because there's so many things that before this situation happened that I didn't realize how important it was to me and how happy those things made me, because I just took them for granted. And just, reflecting on those things and other things that I never thought of made me even, keep my mind in a positive space where I'm thinking of those things and not focus so much on what I can't change. Because there's another thing about change. And I talked about balance in this. And it's, I have to learn to balance the new norm and still craving the old world, the old things that I used to enjoy. There's so many aspects of this that I really can talk about. Now, what I also want people to realize, journaling is such a big thing, because there's so many ways you can journal. I grew to enjoy art journaling and putting washi tapes and stickers and stuff on my journal. Just a visual presentation when I'm writing feels good. And there's other things about journaling. The other things that people are into, affirmation and all these other things that I don't do a lot of, but I like seeing it, and I like seeing other people who enjoying that part of journaling. But it is so many things I'm learning. Someone asked me about this journal style that I've never heard before. I don't even remember what it was that they asked me, and I was like, really? There's things that you can do to learn more about journaling if you are interested, but you're not sure if it's for you. And then someone asked, is it a diary? It's a combination of diary and other things, because you can use it as just to write about what happened that day and solely on that. But it's more to me, because you're not just writing about what happened today. You're writing about conflicts of how you're going to handle certain situation, and you can put your goals, and you could put lists of steps that you want to do in this. There's so many things you can do that's not about what happened, just what happened that day. And it's also a focus piece. Like I said, you can use the words to really bring out some positive things that you want to focus on and things you want to do tomorrow. There's that, that whole tomorrow, that future, that thing that sometimes can drive you to do better, because you want a brighter future than what is now in facing us. So there's so many things that I get out of this, and having a journal mood challenge every couple of months is also something that I enjoy. I just love seeing people journal, and if I could get everybody to journal, that would be my goal, and I'll be super happy about that. And it just continues, and it's just a good feeling to know that I committed, and I did a year, and I don't want to stop. It is going to continue. I'm still going to journal every day, and I hope to do more things over on Instagram for the journaling challenges, and also to reach out to more people who like journaling and be more active in that area, as well as the book community. So, because journaling it's my life. It has been a part of my life for a while. Even before the year, I was journaling before that, but the everyday routine, this is new to me to do this every day for a year. This is new, and I'm glad I did it. So I could go on, and this video could be extremely long, because you know how much I love this. But I'm gonna end it here, and I want the comment to be a bit more engaging. So please go ahead, ask me questions about journaling. Ask me anything you want pertaining to journaling, because it's a joy. And if you do journal and you have journaling channel, or you journal on Instagram, all that stuff, let me know. I would love to follow and check out your video and see what you into, because I'm fascinated with people who are really into art journaling and how they can create pages and express themselves in like 2 words on there. I find it very interesting. And even though, depends on my day, it could be three sentence, and then some days it might be 3 pages. So, I'm a mood journal person every day, but I do get up and do it every day. And I find different times. I do it in the evening mostly. And I know some people prefer doing it in the morning, but you just have to find a time that is good for you and your schedule. And and try it out for 30 days and get back to me and tell me how you felt after 30 days of journaling every day. That's my challenge to you. If not, come over to Instagram next month in November as I do my 1 year journal mood challenge anniversary. So yeah, I'm gonna end this here, and thanks for watching, guys, and yay, I did it. All right, bye.